Hey guys, I hope you're doing well. If you find yourself having to make a repair to your sprinkler system, maybe you've got a crack pipe or a cut pipe or something like that, a lot of times you find yourself trying to figure out like, how can I cut this bad piece out and make this repair? This is something that we use. It's called a slip fix. It's very, very cool. And what you actually do is you can like cut the bad section of your pipe out. Like maybe you nicked it with something, or maybe it's just got a crack. And when you glue this on, this little piece right here slides out. And that's how you can close that gap and make the repair to your sprinkler system without having to replace an entire large section or something like that. So hope that helps. If you got any questions, let us know. Look forward to hearing from you.